In the heart of the Andean highlands, a civilization rose, its people, the Incas, building an empire that spanned vast territories. This was an empire held together not by force, but by the intricate web of roads that connected its cities, towns, and villages. The Incan road system, a marvel of engineering and organization, was the artery of the Incan Empire. The construction of these roads began during the reign of the Inca ruler, Pachacuti Inca Yupanqui, in the late 15th century. The task was monumental, as the roads had to traverse steep mountains, deep valleys, and treacherous terrains. Yet, the Incas, with their knowledge of the land and their unyielding determination, began to carve their way through the Andes. The roads were not mere paths for travel, they were roads of life. They served as a lifeline, connecting the remote villages to the center of the empire, allowing for the flow of goods, ideas, and people. The roads allowed the Incas to maintain control over their vast territories, ensuring the flow of tribute from the provinces to the capital. The construction was a crisis, a test of the Incas' ingenuity and endurance. The Incas used simple tools, picks, shovels, and maybe some stone hammers, to carve their roads. They moved immense rocks, some weighing hundreds of tons, into place. They built bridges over rivers, terraces on hillsides, and steps up steep slopes. The road network was a testament to the Incas' skill and determination. Roads like the Capac Nan, the Royal Road, stretched over 24,000 miles, connecting the farthest reaches of the empire. This road network was so extensive that it is said a messenger could travel from the southern tip of the empire to the northernmost point in just 3 months. The road system also played a crucial role in the downfall of the Inca Empire. When the Spanish conquistadors arrived in the early 16th century, they used the Incan roads to move their armies quickly and efficiently across the empire. The roads facilitated the spread of diseases, like smallpox and measles, which the Incas had no immunity to, further weakening the empire. Despite this, the Incan road system remains a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Incas. It stands as a reminder of a civilization that, through hard work and determination, was able to carve its way through some of the toughest terrains in the world, connecting its people and building an empire that spanned thousands of miles. The Incan road system, though a tool of empire, was also a symbol of unity, a testament to the Incas' understanding of the importance of connection and communication.